If you are not getting as many booked calls as you want, it's usually because your speed to lead sucks. And I talked to so many business owners. We've worked with 800 agencies up to this point, and we'll get them leads, like we'll help them run ads, we'll help them get leads. And then what I find happens is they say, oh, well, not as many people booked a call as I wanted them to. I say, okay, got it. So how many people did you call? And they'll say, well, I didn't call anybody. I just was waiting for them to book. So that's the first problem. You always have to call your leads. And then the second problem is like you're just expecting people to book without you intervening or talking with them or having any interaction with them whatsoever. When you have, like, there is a study, I can't remember the exact stats. I think it was like a Harvard study where they measured, like, if a lead is contacted within 5 minutes of opting in, they will essentially, there's a 400% higher chance that they buy from that business because they were contacted. And you have to think about consumers and businesses these days. When they're responding to an ad, they are, first, they're getting bombarded with ads all the time. And second, when they're seeing all these ads, they're gonna opt into something. They're gonna forget what that thing was literally like 10 or 15 minutes later. And so if you don't get to them soon enough, then they're gonna forget about you and you're gonna get lumped in with everyone else. And so if you can contact them faster, you could say, hey, like it's literally as easy as just call the lead. Hey, so-and-so saw you opted into our ad about possibly getting some help with your XYZ type of business, getting content done. You know, what had you reach out? Like, how could I possibly help? And then just getting that conversation going, oh yeah, I do remember that ad. And it was the XYZ ad with you talking about XYZ. Yeah, so we're looking for someone to come in and do our content because we want to get more leads from social media, XYZ, whatever. It's like when you can have that conversation, it makes it so much easier to then be like, okay, well, you know, there might be some alignment. We might be able to possibly help. Why don't we set up a time on the calendar through Zoom where we can talk a little bit more about how we could possibly get you XYZ. When's a good time? You go for the booked sales appointment, and then you get that booked call done, and then you're moving on to the next lead. It's like, it's literally as easy as that. If you just have somebody in your business who does that for you all day long, it will make your job so much easier. You'll get so many more calls booked. You'll actually close more clients from the ad spend that you've spent. And the thing that hurts me and like is the biggest pet peeve is when I have people who are like, oh yeah, ads didn't work. It's like, were the leads qualified? Yes. Did you contact them? Yeah, I called them one time, like 3 days later after they opted in. I'm like, dude, what are you doing? Like, yeah, of course ads didn't work because you didn't put any effort into it whatsoever. So if you're running ads, call the leads, not hard. Literally just call them within 5 minutes, ask them what had them reach out, what they're interested in, and then set the sales appointment and then close on the sales appointment. That's it, not hard. So hopefully it helps. Yeah, that's what I think most people are struggling with and why they're not making as much money as they want. So.